Ever wondered what a beach that stretches to the horizon looks like? If you guess it's somewhere in Vietnam, you're right. But can you name this famous spot? Let me know in the comments below. I'll give you a hint. It's a place where history, culture, and incredible food collide with the waves. Welcome to Sam Son, a coastal city in Thanh Hoa Province that's been a beloved destination for over a century. From high above, you can see why they call it the Endless Beach. This coastline just goes on and on, a perfect strip of golden sand meeting the turquoise waters of the East Sea. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's the kind of view that makes you feel small in the best way possible, reminding you of the sheer scale and beauty of nature. The gentle curve of the coast seems to embrace the ocean, and from up here, you can see the different shades of blue, from the pale green near the shore to the deep sapphire further out. Our first stop isn't the beach itself, but a place that holds the spiritual heart of Sam Son, Dak Quoc Temple, perched on Ko Gi Mountain, which is part of the larger Trong La mountain range. This temple is steeped in legend. The name Dak Quoc means one leg, and it honors a giant who, according to local folklore, tore himself in half. He left one half on the mountain to guard the coast against sea monsters, and took the other half to fight invaders. On the mainland, it's a powerful story of sacrifice and protection, and you can feel that history as you climb the stone steps. The temple offers a serene escape and a panoramic view of the bustling beach below. It's a perfect spot to pause and reflect before diving into the energy of the coast. From the spiritual, we head to the sensation. The Sam Son Seafood Market is an assault on the senses in the most wonderful way. It's chaos, it's color, and it's the freshest seafood you'll ever see. Early in the morning, the fishing boats return, and the beach transforms into a vibrant, bustling marketplace. Fisherwomen in conical hats sort through mountains of shrimp, crabs, squid, and all sorts of fish. The sounds of bargaining, the salty smell of the ocean, and the sight of the day's catch being weighed and sold as an experience you can get anywhere else. We bought some giant tiger prawns and razor clams, and you just know they're going to be delicious. This is the lifeblood of the city, right here on the sand. After all that excitement, it's time to do what you come to Sam Son for. Hit the water. The beach is divided into different zones, and we found a great spot in the main swimming area. The waves here are gentle enough for a relaxing swim, but still fun to play in. The sand is fine and soft, perfect for a long walk along the shore. We spent a good couple of hours just floating, soaking up the sun, and watching families and friends enjoy the day. It's pure, simple happiness. There's something incredibly therapeutic about letting the sea wash over you. And with the beach this long, you can always find your own little piece of paradise. Now, you can't visit a new place in Vietnam without trying the street food. And Sam Son does not disappoint. We're on a mission to taste everything. First up, Nem Chia, Thanh Hoa. IS famous fermented pork sausage. It's tangy, a little spicy, and so addictive. Then, we found a stall selling ban quan, delicate steamed rice rolls filled with pork and mushrooms, topped with crispy fried chop. It's light, yet so flavorful. We also tried some grilled squid on a stick, chewy and smoky, straight from the charcoal grill. And for a sweet treat, Chai Thap Kum, a mixed dessert with different jellies, beans, and coconut milk. Every bite is a discovery. I know many of you are probably wondering how to plan a trip like this yourself. We've put together a detailed guide covering everything from transportation to accommodation, including a complete cost breakdown of our trip to Sam Son. If you want to explore this amazing destination, check out the link in the description below for all the info you will need to make it happen. We've got you covered as the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the entire coastline. We're treated to something truly special. We stumbled upon a practice session for a local festival, and the sound of the drums is electric. This is a drum performance, a tradition that's been passed down through generations. The rhythm is powerful, primal, and echoes across the beach. Watching the performers, you can see the passion and pride they have for their culture. It's a display of strength and community, a heartbeat that seems to sync with the crashing waves. This powerful performance, with the sunset as a backdrop, is the perfect, unforgettable end to our day in Sam Son. It's a reminder that travel is not just about the places you see, but the moments and cultural experiences that stay with you forever. What an incredible journey it's been, from ancient legends and bustling markets to delicious food and powerful traditions. Samsun is so much more than just an endless beach. It's a destination with soul. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travels through Vietnam and beyond, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. We have so much more to share with you. Until next time, happy travels.